Hey guys, it's a kid here. Welcome to another video. Today we're gonna be doing Today we're gonna be playing slime mode, and it's gonna be very chaotic, and I'm gonna have a lot of fun. So I'm a chaotic human. I got the thing. Bye. Oh my god, no. Bruh! Oh no, please don't, please don't, please don't, please don't, please don't. Yes, I clutched it, okay. Can you rush people like this? Wait a minute, can you rush people? I can see. The guy's probably so confused on what just happened to him. Uh-oh, no I'm not. I was gonna try to like go to that island, but it probably wouldn't have worked out anyway. Funky stick. Oh, please don't kill me. Who uses swords in this later. Uh-oh. What? Whenever I hit the slime ball, I just walk off or get absolutely destroyed. Okay, watch this one. I did turn off PvP info, by the way, because it's really glitchy when you have like this, like the jump available, and when it's trying to say that to you, and you also, yeah. No things like this don't make any sense, probably. Wait. Later. Uh-oh. Okay. I just remember this isn't like me and my friends party game, like private games where like you have pearls in every chest with this. Later. You're welcome to the boost. Yeast. Wait, did I not kill him? What are you doing with your life? You're supposed to be dead already. What do you mean? We're just gonna trade. Oh, okay, guys. We're alive. Oh, this is so broken. I love it. Yup. Oh my god, please. I could actually care less if I got hit off, because like there's no fall damage in this. Imagine there was fall damage right as I say that. Fall damage enabled! Imagine it said that. That would have been so bad. Bro, you're not supposed to be alive. I'm so too good at this video game. Wait, I can't double. Wait, I had my double jump. Oh my god! The most clutched win in the world. That was such. Oh, I'm dead. Oh, I didn't pull it. Dude, that was the most clutch thing that has ever happened to me in a Skywars game, and I didn't really care. Bro, what the okay. I don't know how I won that. Okay. What? I don't know. But I don't know how I won that. I am very impressed. Cough. Coronavirus. Demonetized. I'm gonna chill out on the coughing, jeez. Probably very much coughing because I was a shark for Halloween. It was Okay, for some reason I feel like I really have coronavirus and I don't know. Watch this, guys. So I did this before. Watch this. And then look, I hit with a KVX thingy and it went flying. There goes your kill. Ah! Please watch. And I won. Imagine that I got the victory somehow though, just like last game. Frostbound. I hope I get hit off this game. Yo, they should allow slime kit for this mode. Like, only kit is that you can use as slime. Not sure what's this. I need this. I think I can clutch on here. Like, oh, bruh, you ain't getting anyone today. You isn't getting a single kill. I'm waiting for the dude to come up. Boring. That was scary as heck. Oh my god, no. My clutch idea didn't work! I kind of wanted to get off. I just wanted to do that clutch, but it didn't work. Okay, we're gonna get sorted, then we're gonna double jump to them and destroy them on this map because we are gamers. I ain't leaving you alone, baby. That's sounded wrong, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, maybe I shouldn't have followed the dude. I laughed way too loud, not gonna lie. Uh-oh. The guy probably thought he was so cool because he got Mr. Pullback Ball, but double jumping exists. I am... What? Okay, I think you saw the space bar. And it launched me about half a block high. That should not happen. That should not happen. What if I click OP? Wait, let me... Okay, that's a weird type of clicking method. Give me, no. Thank you. I actually am... Oh, frick. I'm alive because of that slime. The slime body blocked her. Actually... Okay, never mind. How, bro? What? Like, who the heck would use swords in this mode? Like, it's really not exactly the coolest thing, but okay. I don't even know how my cage is a tombstone, but it is, and it's really, I don't know, yeah. Let's go, Bob. And he missed that jump, didn't he? Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god. Later, hater. Ah! No, he was gonna do the coolest thing ever, but it didn't. Okay, so if this guy's using a sword, I will cry. Oh my god, no.